Hi!
Welcome to Waterdrop's YouTube channel. We're your hosts, Ilgen
And Jeannie.
Waterdrop's mission is to encourage you to drink more water in order to live a healthier, longer, and more sustainable life. In today's video, we would like to introduce you to Waterdrop's hydration app.
It will help you keep on track with your fluid intake, remind you to drink regularly, and also challenge you to take it one sip further.
Very exciting. Before we get to today's topic, don't forget to subscribe in order to not miss any of our upcoming exciting videos. Let's get started, shall we?
Let's do it!
Okay, first thing you need to do is to download the app for free either on App Store or Google Play Store.
After downloading the app, you can log into your existing Waterdrop Club account, or you can create a new one. And if you log into one that you already have, you can actually collect points in the app, which can later on be redeemed in our online shop.
The online shop is actually accessible through our app as well. You just have to make sure that the location is turned on your phone. On iOS, you will automatically be directed to the correct store, and on Android, you will have to choose your region first.
You can personalize the app by choosing a design color and by putting in your personal details such as your age, weight, and your height, which are essential for calculating the correct amount of water that you should drink.
So the next step is the progress tracking. Once you have your daily goals set up, you can actually start tracking your progress. First, you choose how much you drank. There are a few options already set up, but you can also add a custom amount. Then you can choose the type of liquid, whether it's a plain water or maybe with a micro drink, which you're also able to input.
I have a question for you, Elegant.
Okay.
How much water do you drink on a daily basis?
Well, you already know that I do drink a lot of water.
You do drink a lot of water.
Yeah, we actually sit next to each other at work, and she always sees me with a carafe and drinking water. What can I say? Waterdrop tells you to drink more water, and I certainly do that. Actually, next to drinking lots of plain water as well as micro drinks, I do drink coffee as well as some after work alcoholic beverages.
Some nice cocktails.
Sometimes, not very often, but sometimes.
But you can also track those in our app as well. If you add coffee or an alcoholic beverage, you will see that your goal might not reduce as much or actually go back up again, since these will require you to drink a little bit more water. And the same goes for when you do sports. So if you do a workout, you can click on the sports button. And the same thing happens when the weather is very hot. Then you can click on the sun symbol, and it is recommended to drink lots of fluids when you're outside in warm weather.
We also, of course, have some stats as well as challenges for you guys. Next up is the overview page, where you can look at your daily, weekly, and monthly stats. This will be useful for the challenges as the app tracks specific milestones. For example, there's a 3-day streak. If you manage to hit a streak, you will receive points to use in our online shop.
So you definitely have to make sure to hit all the streaks.
Every single day.
Many points to use.
But this is of course not it. Jeannie and I decided to take on a different challenge to show you guys on Waterdrop's YouTube channel. Would you like to talk about it briefly?
Yes, of course. We're going to be tracking our progress for 1 week straight, trying to hit our daily drinking goals, and you will see how we did next week.
Yeah, on next week Sunday's YouTube video, you will see how we did for 1 week, tracking it and vlogging our progress. Obviously, we would like to vlog it every single day for you, how much we're drinking, what we're drinking, and how easy it is to actually track your progress via Waterdrop's hydration app. Don't forget to subscribe and watch next Sunday's video, because that video will come with a giveaway as well. Thank you guys so much for joining us in today's video.
Make sure to tell us in the comments down below what your favorite function of our hydration app is.
See you in the next video, and don't forget to drink more water.
Bye!
Bye guys!